Jed here to show you how to use the dialable shortcut *37 to park calls from your phone as a go-to customer. On a traditional analog system, a call placed on hold can only be retrieved from a phone with the same line assignment. For example, if a call was put on hold on line 1, only another person with line 1 on their phone could pick it up. With Go2, you can virtually park calls on hold to be answered from any phone regardless of the line assignments. The Go2 desktop app allows you to park calls visually. I've added a link in the description for a video about that as well. Now, call parking works a lot like parking your car on a terrace, with an attendant at the entrance to greet you. The attendant may tell you to park anywhere you want, or give you an assigned spot. Call parking is the same concept. You can decide where to park the call, or have the system assign a place to you. You will need to know how to do a blind, which is also known as direct, transfer from your phone to do this. With the Go2 desktop and mobile apps, you'll see buttons for a direct and warm transfer when transferring a call. With desk phones, however, the process is often different for the various manufacturers. I've added a link in the description to our phone guides so that you can learn how to do a blind transfer on your respective phone. Go2 customers can use the star codes with their desktop phones, the mobile app, or the desktop app. I'm using the mobile app for this video and I'm already on an active call. Let me show you how the process works when you pick the call parking spot. Now, blind or direct transfer the call to *37 plus your parking spot number. This can be any number of digits as long as it does not start with 0. There are also a limited number of parking spots available. If you try to park it in an occupied spot, the call will be transferred back to you to try again. You've successfully parked the call to spot 300. Now let's see how the system assigns you a call parking spot. Once again, I'm on an active call. Now blind transfer the call to *37. The system will notify you of the spot where the call is parked.
0, 1.
All calls will remain parked until someone answers them, or until the timeout duration lapses. At that point, they will be routed back to the original phone that parked the call. If you need to adjust the call parking timeout setting, check with your system administrator. Regardless of how they park the call, anyone can retrieve it by dialing *37, followed by the parking spot number. Now, as one final point, note that when you park a call, no one will know that it's parked unless you tell them you are using this code with a desktop phone. However, it is possible to presence monitor a parking spot from a phone's line key to see when a call is parked there visually. To set this up, talk to your system administrator for assistance. That's all there is to using the *37 code for call parking. Be sure to check out the description of this video to find additional links to other dialable shortcuts.